Good morning, folks. Chef Enrique again from Dean's Stove and Spa. We're here to showcase one of our cooking products. It's called the Gringo from Clementi. Again, imported from Italy. Exclusive to Dean's Stove and Spa here in the Plantsville section of Southington. We're gonna be doing a demo on a few things that we can cook and give you a few ideas behind the Gringo and why we think it's one of the best products out there. We have some Colombian sausage here, and we have some sweet Italian sausage also. This Colombian sausage is one of my favorite products to work with. Not spicy, the seasoning is mild. Really, really nice product. Gonna be doing on the vegetables a little bit of roasted garlic infused oil. And one of our seasonings that we carry here is the line is Suckle Busters. We are ready to go. Checking our fire here. Alright folks, our grill here, our flat top, our Gringo from Clementi is up to temperature. We're gonna start cooking. Throw a little bit of oil on here. One of the ideas behind the Gringo here is, you know, most of your cookouts at home involve one person doing all the cooking. You want to get more part of the family involved. We have 4 sides of cooking surface here. You can get everybody involved. Everybody can help out, cook their own little meal. Another thing is it serves as it's also a fire pit. Cold nights, you know, in the fall, that temperature starting to change, you can use it as also a fire pit. Keep yourself warm outside. Glass of vino. Brings the family together. Another good thing about Dean Stove and Spa is buying factory direct gives us all the space in the world to give you the best prices possible. "100% food grade stainless on top, does not rust." Again, great price point. Another great thing about Dean Stove and Spa, we have financing on anything we sell. We can do 6-month financing, 0% interest, same as cash. Break those payments down through 6 months. It's like buying a cup of coffee a day. You won't even see it. Folks, Chef Enrique again from Dean Stove and Spa in the Plantsville section of Southington here in Connecticut. Thank you for watching our videos. Please comment, subscribe. If there's something special you want me to check out, review one of our products here. Today we reviewed the amazing Gringo by Clementi, exclusive to Dean Stove and Spa, imported from Italy, 100% Italian made product. Best prices, we'll beat the internet prices, 0% interest financing, 6 months, same as cash. Come check us out, folks.